Unlock a simpler, more secure online banking experience with Barclays Mobile Pinsentry A Circumflex Euros, your digital shield right on your phone. Tired of carrying around that little physical Pinsentry device? Barclays now offers Mobile Pinsentry, an integrated feature within your Barclays app that lets you authorize transactions and log in securely, all from your smartphone or tablet. First, you'll need to set it up if you haven't already. Log into your Barclays mobile banking app as you normally would look for the More Options or Settings menu. It's usually found in the bottom right corner. Within the settings, find the option for Security or Mobile Pinsentry. Tap on it to begin the activation process. You'll be prompted to create a new 5-digit PIN, specifically for your Mobile Pinsentry. Choose a PIN that's easy for you to remember, but difficult for others to guess. Be sure to confirm it. Once your PIN is set, your Mobile Pinsentry is activated. Now, whenever you need to log into your online banking or authorize a payment, the Barclays app will automatically detect it if you're logged in on the same device. Instead of needing your physical Pinsentry, you'll now see a prompt within the app asking you to enter your 5-digit Mobile Pinsentry PIN. Simply tap on the prompt, enter your chosen PIN, and tap Confirm. This instantly verifies your identity, authorizing your login or transaction securely and quickly, all within the familiar environment of your Barclays app. Say goodbye to the extra gadget and hello to seamless, secure banking with Mobile Pinsentry, your digital banking, made simpler and safer.